My name is Cesar Beneti. I'm a meteorologist for solution engineer for Tomorrow.io, and I also have my previous work as a math service in the south of Brazil. Can you start? Okay. So I'd like to today present to you our resilience and climate adaptation platform and powered by weather intelligence, our work. Can you? The slide show, yes. Sorry for this. Yeah, okay, good. Okay. Tomorrow.io is a company that was founded in 2016 in Boston. We have our employees are spread all over the world. We have about 150 people working with us today. It started as a startup in 2016 there with a funding of $300 million in the beginning for our project. I will talk about how how the company is created and what's the proposal of. We have as a weather intelligence platform, we have apps for the cell phones and desktop and other applications. More than 1 million apps downloaded in the iPhone, in Google and Apple as well. And more than 100,000 developers all over the world, they use our platform because everything is based in API. So you can connect and you can develop your own applications using the information that we provide. And we have more than 200 enterprise and government customers worldwide in different areas, from aerospace, agriculture, aviation, construction, energy, everywhere. And also for the governments in the US, NASA, NOAA, and other organizations in the US and international government as well, specifically for Met services all over the world. Our proposal is delivering AI across the hydromet value chain, from data, modeling, and services as well. So today I hope I can briefly introduce you for our data solution, for our modeling solution, and our services as well. But we have our booths in this meeting here. We can talk in another opportunity, and also we can present our platform in real time for everybody to have some idea. How do we start this? Let's talk about data first. Our proposal, our solution is having a weather satellites, proprietary satellites to complement the data that we provide from the Met Service and other agencies all over the globe. And why is that? The weather radars, we know, everybody here in the Met Service know, that less than 15% of the globe is covered by weather radars. And the weather radars have been around using in Met services, for example, for more than 80 years, but we still have not covered all the areas that we live. So we propose in our case, launching our own proprietary satellites. How we started this and what they are for. These satellites, we have nowadays, we launched since 2023, 7 satellites already. They are basically microwave sounders. So they provide, while they are moving around the globe, they are low orbit satellites. They provide temperature, humidity profiles. And this data is included in our platform for data simulation, for numerical, for forecasting as well. And this, with the satellites, we are able to complement the government satellites that are available in the world. In the left image here, you have the government microwave sounders from 3 agencies basically in the globe. They have a revisit rate. They pass in the same point almost twice a day. So we have less coverage from the government satellites, But for tomorrow satellites, we have more than about 1 hour and a half the coverage. So the satellites, they visit the globe for every 1 hour and a half everywhere. And how do we integrate all this information? So with our with our weather satellites, we integrate with ground-based radars, microwave sounders from other agencies as well, and geostationary satellites for GO satellites, UMET satellite, Himawari for the whole globe. And with the rain gauge data from the surface, we have our own unified precipitation product. So we create a high resolution every five minutes, 4-kilometer resolution precipitation. And the precipitation, it comes from the estimation that we get from the satellite together with the weather radars and the rain gauge. And we have our own numerical model that goes from 0 to 6 hours every 10 minutes and to 14 days every hour with the weather forecasting. This is the model that we propose for med services, usually all over the globe. And then we have our platform. Our platform is a very Gen AI, which is generative AI. It helps and interacts with your needs, and you create new forecasts, new weather products as well. But we try not to replace the Met Service, the work of the Met Service. We complement the work. So we help with our platform to monitor the conditions, to communicate the alerts, and to give, it allows the agencies to act for using this information. This is a model AI. So this is just one example of our platform. We can use, we configure insights. So we use all the information generated by Met Services, by weather stations, by weather radar satellites. We include this in our model, and then we produce our forecasts. And also, this helps us to improve our forecasts, our conditions in comparison to other models, for example, the European model or the US models as well. We improve our forecasts using the information from several models, from ensemble forecasts, combining all the information to produce a better forecast for the community. These are examples here as just a platform. You can see, for example, you can apply for transportation, for ground, for aviation, for emergency roles as well. So using the information from the satellite data, from integrating with all the Met Service information that you have your own network, we produce insights, we connect the knowledge that you have, and then you produce a better forecast to act within this information. I think that's it. If you have any questions, I will be very, very happy to show you guys as well the platform in the back there for tomorrow. I hope you enjoy the presentation. Thank you.